Hey everybody, it's Chris from Cali Raised LED, and today we're going to be putting on our transmission skid plate for the 2014 and newer 4Runner. One important note, this will not install without our front skid plate. To get this ready to install, the prep is pretty easy. Each skid plate comes with these clip-on nuts. You have 4 holes here on the front side of the skid plate. We're going to slide these into position with the threads pointed up. With these in place, we can now move under the 4Runner to get it ready. Before we can put our transmission skid up, we need to remove these cross braces from both sides. Now that we've removed our cross braces, we can go ahead and put our transmission skid plate in. We're going to set the end with the slide-on nuts right on top of our front skid, and then the rear is going to bolt into these holes. You're going to be using your included hardware, which is a bolt with a lock washer and a regular washer. If you're just doing the transmission skid, you're going to put these 4 bolts in, you're going to put these 4 bolts in and tighten everything down. If you're going to go ahead and do the transfer case skid as well, we're going to leave these bolts loose because that skid plate needs to slide between this crossbar and our skid plate. I'm going to go ahead and get all my hardware in hand tight, and then we're going to move on. With all my bolts installed in the front, I am now going to go ahead and move on and do my transfer skid installation. If you are not, make sure you have your 4 bolts in here, tighten your front ones, tighten your back ones. That'll complete your installation. That completes our installation for today. Please go to caliraisedled.com for more 4Runner accessories or to reach out for technical support. Thank you.